50 natural excuses you can use in everyday situations. Excuses are often used to explain why you can't do something, missed something, or need to delay. They can be genuine or just socially polite ways to say no without conflict. Below are 50 common excuses across various contexts: personal, work, social, and school. Personal or social situations. 1. Sorry, I'm not feeling well today. 2. I already made other plans. 3. I have a family emergency. 4. I'm just too tired right now. 5. I have to wake up early tomorrow. 6. I'm not really up for it. 7. I need to take care of something at home. 8. I have errands to run. 9. I forgot I had something else scheduled. 10. I'm trying to save money right now. Work-related excuses. 11. I'm overloaded with tasks right now. 12. I have a deadline to meet. 13. I'm in back-to-back meetings today. 14. I'll need more time to finish that. 15. I don't have access to that file yet. 16. My internet is acting up. 17. I'm waiting on someone else to move forward. 18. I misunderstood the instructions. 19. I thought it was due next week. 20. I wasn't assigned that task. School or study excuses. 21. I left my homework at home. 22. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. 23. My laptop crashed. 24. I had a lot going on this week. 25. I thought the deadline was later. 26. I didn't understand the assignment. 27. I had a family event. 28. I couldn't access the file. 29. I emailed it, maybe it didn't go through. 30. I was waiting for clarification. Tech and communication excuses. 31. My phone died. 32. I didn't see your message. 33. I forgot to reply, I read it and meant to get back to you. 34. I didn't get the notification. 35. I think it went to my spam folder. 36. I had no signal. 37. I accidentally deleted it. 38. I was in the middle of something when you called. 39. My app wasn't working properly. 40. I've been offline most of the day. General life excuses. 41. I completely forgot. 42. Something came up last minute. 43. I lost track of time. 44. It slipped my mind. 45. I had too much on my plate. 46. I got stuck in traffic. 47. I wasn't expecting that. 48. I thought someone else was handling it. 49. I've been dealing with some personal stuff. 50. It's just been one of those days.